How to repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually repost a certain video on TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, we simply want to make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated TikTok, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that basically you are logged into your account. Go ahead, tap on your profile icon, log into your account, log in with your Google, your Facebook, or your Apple ID as you wish. After you're logged in, and let's say you browse through TikTok and maybe you want to repost a certain video. In order to do that, you want to simply select the video first. Once done, at the bottom right, simply tap on the share icon. Once you tap on the share icon, here on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see this yellow arrow icon, and right there you can see the option which says repost. So what you can do is simply tap on the repost button right over here, and it says us to actually repost this video. Introduce videos that you find interesting to others. Repost will be visible to the public, so you can tap on the repost button right over here, and you can actually see the confirmation which says repost. The video has actually been reposted. Now you want to understand that this feature only works if the creator themselves has actually enabled the repost button. It may not work on all videos. You may not be able to see the repost button on all videos unless the creator themselves has allowed reposts or recommendations for their particular video on TikTok. This was the way on how you could very easily repost a certain video on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.